Hello and welcome to the wptrainingmanual.com Elite Members training videos. In this short video, I just want to take you through a brief tour of the Elite Members area. So once you come into the Elite Members area, what you'll find here is you've got at the very top here, you can click on the image or click on the links and it will take you into the training section. So there'll be video tutorials and information on how to use all of the content that you get as a member. If you want to view the terms of your license, you can click here on Elite Member License. Then we have here in the content section, as an Elite Member, you have access to the rebrandable WordPress user manual. And I've got another video that explains how to use the tool to rebrand your WordPress user manual. You also get access to the video tutorials reseller code, which basically takes you through the instructions on how to get your special code so you can set up video training for your clients. There are also links in there if you'd like to basically host your own videos. So click on that area here to find out more about the videos. And then as each month, as you get content, as it becomes available into your membership, all you have to do is come in here and just click on the month. So month 1, month 2, all the way up to month 12. And you get access to all of the tutorials and the training emails and the guides and all of that. Now at the bottom, and I covered this in other videos, you've got access to other sections which will take you through the documentation update list. So here you can see a full list of all the manual documents and all the latest updates. So anytime we make an update, we'll post it into the relevant section, and then you can always check whether you've got the latest version or not from this area. You also have a list of all the tutorials and all of their updates in this section here. We use images that come from sites, free sites. And so if you want to check the licenses, you can click on the images register. And there'll be an index of all the images we use in the tutorials that are not screenshots. And you can find out more details about that. As I said, all of this is covered in separate video tutorials. And also wherever we mention affiliate programs in the tutorials and training content, you can come here and you can see a full list. There's a table that shows you all the affiliate programs that we include in the content with information about where to apply and links to that. And of course, if you need help, you can always click on the Contact Us link here to go to our contact page and contact us if you have any issues, any questions, any feedback or suggestions or ideas. So this is a quick tour of your Elite Members training area. I hope you found this information useful, and we'll see you in the next video.